Yay!
Congrats!
Tinagdalip-lipatan doon bumaketa.
Shakti ka tatang ka ng tagkakapsat ng Shakti Apip. Oh my God.
To my Ate Cheryl. Walang vision. May 911. Cheers!
Hurry!
5,000 pesos!
According kay Gian, tapos na sila. Gian, libre man ko bukas sa Jollibee. Charis. Hi mother for my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Yay!
Sika mama Yarkos na.
Hello! Congratulations!
Congrats ating ko. Oh, nostalgic yung song. Di ba before? Yung girlfriend niya. Congrats ating ko! Ah. Wow! Hug! Congrats! Hey, graduates! Yeah, photo op, photo op. Hello! Congrats! Congrats! Abanugin. May graduation boy and graduating boy. Okay, so another agsaka-saka. Sakit na ang paa ng mga graduation camel at bumblebee. Ang layo kasi ng kotse ko kung saan nagpark yung kasama namin. Nag-jaytan din, nagsaka-saka dyan.
Ay, puso.
Accept po.
Si Ana.
Alam na ni Mama.
Ni ay.
Nakain
na tayo before preparation of First of having friends.
Number 158. Awan.
Yes. Good evening, everyone, and welcome. We are gathered here today to celebrate the accomplishments of my brother, Gian. And it's a privilege to see many familiar faces here to share in this significant milestone. I know there are lots of sweat and even tears as you go on in achieving your dreams. But you made it, ading ko.
O nagbibig.
Yan ang pintasa ko eh. Tinagdalip-lipatan doon bumaketa.
Siya kaya.
Tanong mo nga, Jack, tumakasawang ko si Kaltot makamukan niya. Boom. That's it. I don't wanna cry. I want everybody happy. And to all our guests, our friends, and relatives, thank you again for being here to celebrate with us. Let's enjoy the night and make the most out of it. Let the party begin!
Yeah!
Okay,
Thank you so much. Tonight we celebrate not just a graduation, but a becoming. This boy, who once wrestled with doubt and hardship, is now standing at the threshold of adulthood, having triumphed over challenges that once felt too heavy to carry. He held on not just to his God-given endowments, his grit, his resilience, his brilliance, but to the people who walked with him through these storms. Isang malakas na palakpakan at syempre isang masarap na handaan ang narapat para sa kanya. Let us all stand and give a round of applause to the man of the hour, the newly grad, Gian Chris Antonio.
lang, di ba? Pasit lang talaga, as in. First, I wanna say congratulations. Shakti ka tatang ka ng kakapsat ng Shakti Apip. Oh my God. You made it. Proud Kapsat here. Second, thank you all for coming. Anong pag-ibitan? Thank you all for coming. Masimple lang dito program me, but thank you for coming. Third, chill lang. And lastly, love. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jack. We are filled with mixed emotions ngayong gabing ito. Pero okay lang yan.
Salamat sa ayan.
Wala ka na doon. Ginusto niya yan, di ba? Ginusto niya yan, di ba? Mangan!
Maya-maya kayo din kayo ng cake. Miss Gian Lay Guerrero.
Hello po, magandang gabi sa lahat. On behalf of everybody present tonight, Gian, congratulations.
Yeah.
I know, we know the struggles that you face just to reach this milestone. And the ups, the setbacks, and the redirection. From choosing your course, information technology, computer science, and then bravely shifting to education. And that is really a big step. But finally, I know that teaching is your true calling, and this is the profession that you are meant to be. Amuni nga saan nga nalaka, but you followed your heart. And back then, when I saw your post regarding the international internship, I was one of the proudest. Kasi I am also an education student back then, and that opportunity is not for everybody. I mean, I know that with his potential, that's why he was chosen to be included in that internship. So let's give him a clap for that. And kasi ko na natatay, adong narigat, your sleepless nights, narigat ti agbaring nga manursuro. Lesson planning, grading, tiubing, practice teaching, but you fulfill that comes in pursuing that noble profession. And you truly deserve this achievement. And adding, again, you were born for this, and now you're finally stepping into the role that was always meant for you. And of course, to your proud parents, Tita Lee, Tito Boyet, and of course, your very supportive sisters, Ate Christian, Ate Che, di ba, naligat iti ang pabasa, that si, anati nagbunga. At danto, agbalin nga mastrutan. And then, again, congratulations, Gian. Ken, uli adayo, dagiti kakabsat na. Nga, mesa ka, dagiti support system na. Ken, inpakat dalang ta amin nga kabayan na. Tapnon, mapagraduang da ni Gian. And, proud kami ken kaadin ko. Congratulations. Yun isulang. Thank you so much.
Yay!
Thank you so much. And of course, may mga importanteng tao din na sa life ni Gian na gusto magbigay din ng message nila. But unfortunately, they are not here. So they sent a video greeting, congratulatory messages to Gian. So let's take a look at this.
and this is Tita Sally shouting all the way from California to wish you and to congratulate you on your graduation. You did it, anak. We're so proud of you. Congratulations also to the proud parents and to your supporters. These are your sisters, Teleling and Isha.
And remember, we love you.
Yes, we love you. Take care. Bye.
Hi everyone! We just want to say congratulations, Gian. Well done, Baroque. And wishing you success in the future. Sorry, Angelo is not here. Nasa Japan siya. So yeah, ito, I just get up from work with my scrub. Wanna say hi to everyone. Wish you and love you all. Again, congratulations, Gian. Ano sa messaging? Thank you, Baroque. Bye!
Gian Chris Antonio, congratulations on your well-deserved success. Your hard work and dedication have paid off. Wishing you all the best as you embark on this new chapter. Congratulations also to the proud parents. We love you. Wish you all.
Hi Gian, congratulations, happy graduation. It's me, Tita Tay. We are so proud of you and excited for your next chapter in life. Wishing you a bright future. You've made it. And kung di ka pilagos kasama one, congratulations Gian and happy graduation anak ko. Love, Tita Tay.
Hey man, we want to congratulate you on graduating.
Congrats to you, Gian. I'm so proud of you, man. You stay simple as you are. Thank you, Tita Ishan and Mama, for helping Tito Gian. Happy graduation, bro. God bless. See you soon, bro.
Hi, Dian.
Hi Dian, congratulations on your graduation. Your hard work and dedication have paid off. This is just the start of your journey. Keep dreaming big. Keep reaching higher. We're so proud of you. Bye.
Diyan na.
Followed by Christian Antonio, Michael Angelo Antonio, Donald Antonio, Enrico Zapanta, Jerome Antonio, Maricon Guerrero. Please come forward. Gianlay Guerrero, Princess Lodette Guerrero, Charmaine Tuliao, Abigail Tuliao, Maricel Agustin, Raquel Lagula. Raise your glass and all together you say cheers! Okay, cheers! Okay, inumin yung ano na tabaso yun. Okay, palakpakan tayo ng apo. Yan, cheers! Miss Bobby Padua.
Amami nga na ilangitan, ken managparabon nga ama. Adda kami apo ita, nga natipon-tipon, para iti panagyaman, iti panagturpos ni Gian. Kastanat apo, apagyamanan mi, tika adda dagiti kakabsat na, nga da Cheche ken Christian. Apo, tutuloy mo kagida abin bendisyonan. Bendisyonan mi da apo, ti panagsublidan tupay ti Hawaii, ken bendisyonan ni Gian. Apo, ti sumaruno nga po ti panagturpos na ket Apo pagyamanan ni Apo ti amin nga pamendisyon mo kada kami agraman Apo kada kami nga daamin kita iti daytoy nga tarigno stapay Apo nga ilisim ni da Apo tuso amin na dakyas kan pegya stapay Apo nga bendisyon ham dagiti tagandak da dawaten ni Apo amin dagitoy gapumet tayong ken Jesus Kristo nga anak mo ken Apo. Amen.
Amen.
So, good evening to each and everyone. First of all, I just want to say how grateful I am to see all of you here today. Late night study session, every challenge, and every success, there's been someone cheering me on, and many of you are right here in this room. To my family, thank you for the unwavering love and patience, for believing in me, although ni mama kat kanayan ng kontraen, and for giving me the foundation and strength to chase my dreams. Your sacrifices and support have shaped me more than words can say. To my friends, thank you for being there through the highs and lows. For the laughter, the encouragement, and even the last minute cramming sessions, you made this journey not only bearable but unforgettable. And to everyone here today, whether you're a family, a friend, a mentor, or just someone who's been part of my life in a meaningful way, thank you for being part of this moment. Your support has helped me bring me to this point, and I'm incredibly honored to celebrate with you. Tonight isn't just about a diploma. It's about the people who made this possible. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And let's enjoy this night. But before anything else, I want to take this moment to give a special thank you to two of the most important people in my life, my sisters Cheryl and Christian. To my ate Cheryl. I want you to know how grateful I am for everything you've done for me. You've been my silent hero, the one who supported me behind the scenes when I needed the most. From helping me with monthly allowance, to booking my ticket to Indonesia, to even giving me extra money to enjoy a tour in Singapore, just like Ate Christian, you didn't have to. But you did, with so much love and generosity. And on top of all that, you financed my review for the licensure exam. Ate, none of this would have been possible without you. Thank you for believing in me, even I didn't fully believe in myself. And to my second sister, Walang Christian, my 911, my lifeline, my everyday hero. You've been there through even run, every breakdown, every challenge. You listened without judgment, supported me without question, and loved me without conditions. Whether it was emotional support, financial help, or just being present when I felt overwhelmed. You were there, always. You helped me live a life that I could only dream of before. And I will never forget that. To both of you, thank you for being more than sisters. You've been my anchor, my strength, and my biggest cheerleaders. This milestone belongs to you too. I love the both of you, and I hope I've made you proud.
Yes, of course. Of course.
To Mama Polly and Papa Otto,
Papa Otto.
I made it. Di Papa. Ada nang nag-mistol na sa robot ko. Ito ang vice versa. Diyan sa robot ko.
I will be asking trivia questions about Gian. At kung sino man yung makapagbigay ng tamang answer, mananalo siya ng cash prize na 500 pesos. 500 and 5 look bags. Kailan ipinanganak si Gian? Kompleto dapat. Okay. September 2, 2000. Correct. September 2, 2000. What is the zodiac sign of Gian? Since September siya, so ano yung zodiac sign niya? Virgo is correct. Ilang taon si Mama Lee nung ipinanganak niya si Gian? O sa mga kaibigan ni Mama Lee? Ilang taon si Mama Lee nung ipinanganak niya si Gian?
Ano magpagdiwang mo kung napatay sa ospital?
Anyone guess? Sige, dito tayo sa harap. Sino ko? Okay, ilang taon po si Mami Lee? 36 daw po ba? Wrong. Okay.
40.
40? Wrong. Okay. Sige, guess lang ng guess.
47.
47. 47 daw. 47 ba? Wrong. Yes, wrong.
38.
38 ba? 38?
38.
Nakikinig ka sa usapan nila. Disqualified. You are disqualified, Muhuma. Kompleto dapat.
Kompleto dapat.
Kompleto daw dapat.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Education.
Okay, it's correct. Okay, next question.
Christian Antonio and Cheryl Antonio Kira.
Okay, correct. Ano yung bigay natin? Cash ba o yung cash?
Masapot ko na agad. Di ba, Casey?
Message.
When message?
Congratulations to us.
Yeah, nag-graduate na. Nag-graduate na.
For the information of everybody. Kag-graduar ko lang at 40.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations, Maxine.
Yes.
Dalawa yung expressions na nandito. Yung palagi niyang sinasabi. Yes, Okay.
Mesa lang.
Dalawa ito pero kahit isa lang. Pwede. Wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong. Okay.
Wrong.
Aya?
Wrong. Okay. Sama ko na si Gian. Try lang. Okay. Oh. Ano expression niya?
Aray ko!
Yes. Aray ko is correct. Aray ko is correct. Ano pinag-bisita ni Gian? Okay, sino? Sino ba? Let's give chance to others. Sino ba? Sino na una? Okay, sino? No, that's wrong. Singapore is correct. Singapore is correct. Sa school lang.
Ilocos Norte National High School.
Yes. That's one of the schools na nag-practice teaching ng Gian.
Anapay.
Kompletong pangalan ng parents ni Gian.
Reynaldo Corpus Antonio and D.F. Agustin Antonio.
Correct. Sa akin lahat. What is one thing that Gian cannot leave the house without? Ano yung isang bagay na hindi iiwan pag lalabas siya ng bahay? Anyone? Okay? No, that's wrong. Okay. Wrong. Babe is wrong. No, that's wrong.
Susi!
Yes, Susie is correct.
Congratulations, Gian Barok.
To the proud parents. And to
Thank you. Achieving another milestone and see you sa the bed.
Yay!
Nimot father mo na ano na. Diyos ko, my God. Okay, rugudol tayo. Nung ating dumpot lang din ni Sir. Net ating dumpot na best.
Tabla, tabla. Agora hurry! Hip hip! Hurry! Hip hip! Hurry! Next na si Mother, next na si Fast, fast. Hurry! 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 Hip hip! Hurry! Hurry! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hurry! Out, out, out! Out, 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 out!
188! Okay, we have a winner. 23. 2-3. Ay, ayan, may nanalo. Kanina kasi nag-aabang talaga. Pinapakinggan yung number kung matatawag. Okay, here is your 1,000 pesos. Number 1. Number 1? We have a winner. Okay, last 2 numbers for the 1,000 cash prize. Okay. 124. 124. 5,000. Okay, that is your prize. And last, number 6. 62. Ah, bata yun na.
Anak mo, di kasi simple.
Okay, 62 ako, may 62 siya. Ayan. May $50 na pala dito. Okay, okay na. Oh, kinatisin natin. Ayan, $50. 1, 9, 4. Ay! It's 194.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
168! Meron? Ayan, 168.
Nagbabaknak si
Check
Mama.
natin mabuti. Yung number. Ayan. Okay.
Ang pawala yun nila, babaknak din ang atin.
Okay, the grand prize! Saan ako? Ito ko na ba sa mga 5K to nanay. 5,000 pesos. And the lucky winner of our grand prize is 7! Okay, magbunyi ang may numero 1, 7 ang umpisa. Okay, 1, 7. Ano ba 7 sa inyo? Oh, sorry. What about here? 1, 7. Okay! Sino kaya mag-uwi ng grand prize ng 5,000 pesos? Drum roll, please. I want to say the music. 1, 7. Pakilakasan ang drum roll. Okay, sige. More. Okay, 1, 7, 5. That's 75. Ay, shit. Nakuha din niya. O ayan, may pa-review ka na. Mukhang talagang itinadhana para sa iyo 5,000. Kasi alam ng Diyos, ayan, she needs it. Kasi mag-review siya for her board exam soon. So let's wish Maxine good luck. Okay. Here's your 5,000, Maxine, and congratulations.
$20.